Okay, so just left the nail shop. I haven't vlogged since I want to say like Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday maybe even. Also, I'm in Bay's car. This is not my car, so I'm getting my trash out of here. I don't want to hear his mouth. But yeah, I just left the nail shop. I got this really popular green. I always do bright colors year around. I live in California. We don't do like seasons. But I got the same thing on my nails and my toes. The kids are with Zarek. See my toes? Don't judge my dirty sandals. I gotta wipe them off because these get dirty pretty easy. But I got the same color on my toes. Okay, so I did my exchange. I didn't really get a lot. I had a lot in my basket, but I decided to take a lot of stuff out simply because it wasn't necessary. Z Gallery. This here is the table that I wanted. The only thing is the chairs are too light, but I found these benches, or I'm sorry, these chairs in a gray with black legs that'll match my thing at home. The only thing is they don't have the ring on the back, and I really wanted the ring. So I'm thinking about ordering those from Amazon, but Derek hates them. But hopefully he'll be able to see this video and get the vision. It's basically, it'll be like 4 of these, and then a bench like so. Literally it's the exact same bench, just in gray opposed to tan with black legs. So the black legs will match our black table. So yeah, that's our dilemma. Like, I really want the rings on the back of the chairs. And then from there, I just need a few pieces for decor. We also found some chairs like this. They're velvet, but they kind of have the same look that he likes, which I'm cool with, but we can't find a bench to match that. So originally this is the table that I wanted, but I decided against it because I ended up getting a round table. I'm not gonna lie, I regret that, but I'm gonna make it work with what I have for now. And then, hello, I'm getting you. And then this here is the entertainment stand that I originally wanted to go under the TV in the living room, but it's too large to fit under the fireplace, and it's also, I think, too long to fit upstairs in our room. So this one just didn't fit into what we have. For something like this, you see how this has the ring on it? This is the kind of chairs that I wanted. I think our next place, or our next time decorating, I want to do navy blue in the room. I absolutely love this color. And then the bedding that I picked matches these pillows. I haven't put it up yet because I still have the kids in my bed, and I was trying to wait until they're out of my bed, but they won't leave. Okay, and then these are the dressers that we wanted originally. I feel like these, 2 of these will fit beside our bed, and they have a good enough amount of space to really be useful. But this one here is just tall, and I don't have a clue where it would go. Like, it really wouldn't fit in our room, but it probably would do better for yeah, I probably would be able to fit all my stuff in here. I think it's the 8 drawer, so it's 1,000. I'm thinking 1 of these and then 2 of these, and that's it. But then we would need a TV stand, so I don't know. I wanted to do this color accent in my living area, but Derek is very funny style about color. That's why I just keep it gray. And then this is the piece that's gonna go on the kitchen table in the center. I just am wondering if it's too big. And of course I have a coupon. This is another option for a nightstand dresser set. I like this one too. It's a little less popular than the other one. I really want a bar card as well, but I'm gonna wait till the kids get a little bit older because they'll just pull everything down. I just like the way they look with a bunch of shiny fruit glasses like this. Super pretty. I feel like one thing I hate about this car is that it's short. Like, usually my truck I can lift here, but it's like a hatchback kind of car, so it's like a weird angle. So I was in the mall for over 2 hours, more so just walking around browsing. I literally went to all my favorite stores. This is a mall that I used to come to every single day. So it is Sunday. Nice. By the way, when you hear her scream, 9 times out of 10 there's nothing wrong with her. She just loves to scream. And she's a bully. Stop hitting my son. I feel like the older they get, they're starting to look like a little bit more and more every day. She still looks like her dad. He still looks more like me, but they're starting to kind of mix. Go get your shoes. Go get your shoes. Doesn't she look so cute? Go get your shoes. I'm not gonna leave you. Wait. Coco. Hi, kids.
Hi.
Hi. Is that Coco?
She's crying, but she take them out.
Put your shoes on so we can go. Lee, don't break it, okay? Don't drop it. Don't push no buttons, okay? To watch more videos.
Well, then we just try to show you this awesome truck. We try to show you this truck. See this truck. So we try to show you this truck. We try to show you this truck. So Coco was doing. And yeah, Coco. And this is Mommy. And this is Mommy. Well, we do want to get to the plants, but I don't know what we're doing because I don't know what we're doing.
Did you water the plants today?
Yeah.
And how did you water the plants?
Like.
Wait. Come show them. Show them the plants. You use the water?
So, I don't know. But I don't know what we're doing. Look at this. Look at this. Like, this is my house. Like, look at this. Well, Mommy. This is Mommy. So we're gonna get some popsicles. I don't got some popsicles.
Popsicles? We already got popsicles. Push your baby. Unlock it. Your back itch? Peekaboo, sister. 2 hands. One more. The strawberries are 3 for $10. They tend to eat strawberries really good, so we're gonna get some of those. You want some blueberries too or no? Okay, grab one. Gotta eat a lot of vegetables and fruits. Okay. Now what else do we need? These are peaches. You want peaches? This doesn't feel like a peach. This is nectarines. You want to try peaches? Okay, get one for you and get one for sister. You want to try those when you get home? They taste really good. That's not apples, it's peaches. Okay, let's find some more food to get. Okay, since I'm starting keto tomorrow, I'm gonna have a little watermelon today because I love. No, we got peaches. You want peach or you want apple?
Apple.
Okay, take one of the peaches out, then you guys can share one peach and one apple. Which one looks good? That one looks too brown. I don't like the way these look really. And I don't like the way that looks. This is probably the best set. Gotta do it slow. Don't drop those because you can bruise them. Ah. Thanks, D. Okay, so it's good to have some meat if we're gonna do keto. I usually would do uncured, I'm sorry, turkey bacon. Got some action under here. What's going on? Hi, boo boo. Don't go past the stove. Don't go past the, what is this called? The porch.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening?
Put it in the car lock. Love these little cute shoes. Also, every time I go I forget, but I need to start getting the reusable bags to take with me. But for keto, I got some turkey bacon. I got these are like cheese crisps, kind of like fried cheese, and they're like no carbs. I usually count them as like 1 or 2 carbs just in case, and they're good with guacamole. So sometimes I get like a side of guacamole from Chipotle, or I'll get an avocado, which I forgot to get today, and I'll you know, mash it and then dip it with that like chips. And then other than that, for myself, I got,
you can have some cereal.
one second, other than that, I just got some eggs. This is like the starter pack, eggs and bacon. And then for today, I absolutely love watermelon. I got me some that I can eat on today before I start keto tomorrow, because in keto you really can't have too many fruits. These kids absolutely go through strawberries like they're going out of style, so they had 3 for $10. I got 3 of those. Coco particularly loves blueberries, so I got her some of those. Diamond particularly loves bread, so I got him the kids soft white bread so he can just have slices whenever he wants. Coco will eat it because he eats it, but she doesn't care for it as much. So like this is like her kind of snack, and this is like his kind of snack. And then I just got 2 kinds of like kids bars. These are like just regular cereal bars, and they are supposed to be like organic, just little organic little sweet fruit bars. Don't know if my kids will like these because I've never bought them for them. I'm kind of trying to sub out some of these regular snacks for organic stuff. Usually this drawer is more full and it has like chips in it, but it's a new month, so it's time to go grocery shopping. So I just got those to put in there, and then I got some of these, and I just kind of mix the drawer up. I usually have like packs of popcorn in here, packs of chips, and that way they can come to the drawer and just grab whatever they want. These are hard, so they haven't eaten those. And then these here are supposed to be like protein bars as well, 7 grams of protein, which would be good for both the kids. And they have egg whites, almonds, cashews, dates, no bad stuff. So either they'll like them or they don't. When next month comes around, if they are still in the drawer, that means they didn't like them. For example, she chose pretzels, but it's time to eat, so she doesn't know she's not getting those pretzels. So we got Buffalo, or Daddy got us Buffalo Wild Wings for dinner. DoorDash. I don't think have we ever had this?
It's your section over here. You just go ahead and slide this back in this way. Yeah.
I'm showing what we got as a whole. Lemon pepper look a little good. Yeah, little pepper flakes up in there.
Slide on this way.
So what's this?
It's a party tray.
Is this nachos?
Yeah.
I prefer my nachos without the lettuce, so it'll look like something. But ooh, mozzarella sticks. I haven't had mozzarella sticks in a while. Onion rings. These look good. Oh, this is what we had when I was pregnant with Dee. With the Howard Houston in Culver City.
No, that's garlic.
Yeah.
That's lemon pepper.
But this is the garlic sauce you get from the store.
Yeah, that's the one you can get.
Okay. So you didn't get them no fries, so I was sharing with them.
No, that's some fries. Matter of fact, holy shit.
That's how I was going through everything. I know what I be doing. D, you ready to eat? I'm gonna go ahead and give her a piece of watermelon. Hopefully she'll eat this over everything else. Yeah, and Dee's probably not hungry at all, so we'll see how this goes. You sure you don't want to eat, Dee? You may. Put your phone down. Two fingers, 2 hands.
What's that smell? What's that smell? So, I don't know, but I don't know what we're doing so much. But I don't know what we're
doing. Show them your dinner. You put it on a plate?
Now put it in. We got it. We got it.
Go Dee.
So what we doing is but I don't know. But I don't know. I'll cook over. Yeah. What's that? That's Mommy.
A little ketchup or a lot of ketchup?
A lot of ketchup?
Ketchup?
Wow! Vampirina! We're trying to show you the voice line. enjoy this video. Please subscribe. Peace. Coco. Hey, Coco.
Hi, baby. Hi, Coco. Look at my living room. It's a mess. All the crackers are Pringles. You just took your shots? You took some kids medicine. I need to take some. I look a mess. We have our medicine here. I have NyQuil for night. Derek bought me the double pack, so this one I took for day. We're about to go to bed, so I'm gonna take some of this. Yeah, so we have like a whole medicine cabinet over here and over there. Hi, Nicken. So excuse the shininess on my face. I have vitamin E oil on. Hi, mommy, but where's the remote? Where's the remote, mommy, but? So we're closing out the vlog, guys.
Closing out the vlog.
So I didn't close out the vlog, so I'm about to edit and get this video up for you guys. It's already Monday, so we're gonna start a new week today. Ignore the oiliness on my face. Someone is watching YouTube. We just finished having breakfast, or they just had breakfast. I had an espresso. Hi, Coco.
I'm watching Ryan right now. I'm watching Ryan.
Yeah, he's watching Ryan. What's new?
From Santa's Ryan's calling Santa.
Ryan's calling Santa? We look a mess. We just got up, showered, you know, brush our teeth, the main stuff, and put our clothes on, but we've been literally sick for the last 2 weeks. Nose still runny, she's still crummy, her nose is still a mess. His is the best because he had it first, and then Derek just texted me from work saying that he now has it. So we've been dragging it out for the last 2 to 3 weeks, and now that we're coming to the end of it, like my voice is a little bit coming back. Daddy has it, so I'm praying that it doesn't bring the bug, like reignite the bug in the house. But it has taken a toll on my energy level, like weak from it or whatever, but you know, you gotta push through. So gonna go ahead and get the vlog up. Don't want to talk to you guys too much. Just wanted to say bye-bye and see you guys next week in the next vlog. I'm thinking next week or next month is my birthday month, September, so I definitely want to crank out the vlogs a little bit more. So let me know what you guys think about that. Even see, she has no mojo. She's just like, ugh. So say bye-bye. D, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. And subscribe.
I can't hear you. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. She ain't with it. Bye, guys.